Do you want to know how you can select the artwork size in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can select the artwork size in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Wombo Dream, which is on your phone. Now click on the plus icon, which you can see in the middle of the screen. Scroll down and you can see the artwork size. You can select 9 by 16, 1 by 1, 16 by 9, 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. These three are premium ones, so you can buy the premium version of Wombo Dream and then you can select the artwork size. For now, you can select either 9 by 16 or 1 by 1 and then start creating your artwork. I hope this video about how you can choose your artwork size was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.